want to show you how to make easy apple oat bake. The name gives it away, it's easy. So get your family involved and make this together. If you've got children, get them to make it too, and they can have fun and they can learn about nutrition and healthy cooking. So to start out, you're going to have your casserole dish, a nice good sized one. I've already oiled it. Then you're gonna have your oats. So first you're gonna do layers. So you're gonna do about 1 cup, just so you cover the base. Then you're going to take your desiccated coconut. It's about 3/4 cup. Now I've got 2 sets of walnuts here, and you can see by actually the shape of it, actually looks a little bit like the brain, and it is very good for your brain. So I've got the whole ones and I've got some chopped ones. So I'm going to put 1/4 cup of chopped ones, and I've got dates. So these are date pieces. Don't worry if you don't have that, you can just take your whole dates and just chop it up into bite-sized pieces. So this is about 1 cup. If you think it's going to be too sweet, you can put less. And the other thing, I use dates because my children don't really like sultanas and raisins. So you can use sultanas and raisins if you would like to. We're now going to do the grated apples. So I've left it till last. I'm going to put it in the food processor, just otherwise they're not brown. Now that we've finished grating the apple, we'll put that in the layer. Okay, the color is beautiful, beautiful green. You can see I've left the skin on. You can put less apple if you want, but I like lots of apple. Just spread that out as even as you can. And then we're going to finish with our oats, and then we'll do some coconut. So next we need to do our milk mixture, otherwise it'll be very dry. And there's 1 banana. So it's a nice ripe banana. There's 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We'll add it in there. And there's 1 to 2 teaspoons of natural vanilla essence. And we're going to use our very useful stick blender, and we'll just blend that up nicely together. Right, now that we've done that, we'll pour this over here. So this is about 3 cups of soy milk plus the blended banana. It does absorb a lot of the milk, so if you feel you would like it a bit more moist, you can add a bit more. Now I'm just going to poke it a bit, just to make sure it's gone through to all the oats. Okay, and then you're going to add those walnuts, the whole ones that I mentioned earlier, and you can just place it as you would like. It adds to the decor as well as to the nutrition. Next, you'll want to put it in the oven at the temperature about 180 to 190 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, just depending on your oven.